Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. In this short tutorial we're going to run through how exactly you can make the most of your Scholarcy structured summary. Let's dive right in. So let's start by taking a look at the first section we can find in the structured summary, which is the snapshot section. Why do we like the snapshot section? From here you can effortlessly screen any article. What you'll get is a narrative overview of exactly what the author wants you to know. What have they done, how have they done it, and what have they found? This is a perfect one-shot look at exactly what an article talks about. It's perfect for the screening process. As we scroll on through to the next section, we can find the key findings section. This will be the 5 main points that you can get from the article. What are the main takeaways? What exactly has this paper achieved? Using the key findings in combination with the snapshot is absolutely perfect for the screening process because you can understand exactly what an article is talking about and if it's actually relevant to your research question. And if you want to go one step further with the key findings, click on the down arrow and it will navigate you to the full text where you can get more nuanced information and expand on the key finding you were just reading. The next 4 sections of the structured summary that we're going to walk through are the objectives, methods, results, and conclusions. Each of these categories get their own summary section, so you can easily navigate between them when you're reading through, and they've been designed to progressively reveal more information at a pace that suits you. Each of these sections can be expanded to reveal more information, and you can also click on to read more to go to the original text to get a more nuanced approach with a further detail. You can use these sections of the structured summary to get a nuanced understanding of exactly what the author is hoping to convey to you without the usual distractions and in a fraction of the time. So following on from here, we can find the key concept section. Scholarcy will identify any of the key concepts that come up in the original article that you're reading and it will present them for you here. If you're lacking any knowledge on these key concepts, you can give them a click and it will open up a Wikipedia article where you can get some background reading done to understand more about the original article you were reading. Let's now take a look at the Dig Deeper section. You can use this to ask a question or write a prompt so you can fill in any knowledge gaps that you may have after reading this structured summary. Let's take a look. So after posing your question, Scholarcy will give you a handy answer which should fill in your knowledge gaps. It's important to note that Scholarcy will only use content from the original article, it doesn't search the internet. This means that you can guarantee the answer is fully truthful and free of hallucinations. Let's now take a look at how you can customize Scholarcy's structured summary to your preferred reading style with Scholarcy's enhanced summary. Click onto Enhance to reveal the additional summary styles that you have at your disposal. Let's take a look at my favourite, the bullet point lover. So after a moment, we get our new transformed structured summary fit to the style that we've just chosen. As I went with the bullet point lover option, all of my summaries are now fit to bullet points. So whether you're screening an article for the first time or taking an in-depth walkthrough of exactly what this article pertains to, Scholarcy's structured summary will have you covered. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching.